Hello, everyone. In this demonstration, we are going to be creating a SnapIn and fetching the logs using the DevRev CLA. So let's first start creating our SnapIn using the template. So here we have opened the folder. As you can see, it's empty. Let's first create the SnapIn version. This would create a folder. We can see the DevRev SnapIn TypeScript template is already created, so let's go inside this, and let's open it in VS Code. Now, we can see that there's a manifest file over here and some code that contains functions. This part is going to console log information whenever the SnapIn runs. Let's try to build this SnapIn and run it. First, we need to run npm install. Let's make sure we're in the right folder. We have to go into the code directory and run npm install. This will install all the relevant packages related to the functions. In this case, there are no functions, so all the dependencies will be installed in the node modules. After that, we can follow the steps in the README to install it. We'll have to run npm install, and in order to build it, we need to use npm run build and npm run package. Let's see how to deploy the SnapIn. Okay, npm install has already been completed. Next, let's go to npm run build. This will create a build folder here. We can see a distribution folder here. Now, let's package it using npm run package. This will create a build.tar file. Let's locate it. Yes, the build.tar file has been created. This is the build.tar file, and now we can use this file to create the SnapIn. Let's first create the SnapIn package. I'll name it something like DevRev SnapIn package viewing. SnapIn logs. Now this package has been created. Let's try to create a SnapIn version next. We'll start with DevRev SnapIn version create 1. We'll need a few things. We'll need a manifest file, so set manifest to manifest YAML. We'll also need the archive, right? That will be the build.tar file, and that should be it to create our SnapIn version. Yep, our SnapIn version has been created as expected. This will also be visible in the DevRev seal. Let's try to create a SnapIn draft from here. Let's try to create a DevRev SnapIn draft. My mistake. That was an incorrect command. Using SnapIn version, let's add the SnapIn version first. This is SnapIn version 8, and let's check the manifest. In there, we have a work tracker. Let's see the list of SnapIns that are already installed. This is the current list of installed SnapIns. There's no work tracker here yet. We're going to create one now. Let's proceed. We're using this SnapIn version to create the SnapIn, so it should appear here soon. As mentioned in the manifest file, this SnapIn will execute when work is created. Upon work creation, it will run a function that logs info saying the work has been created. Great, the work tracker is here. Let's deploy this. It's deployed. Now let's try creating a work item. Let's go ahead and create a ticket. We'll fill in the title and description, then select some part. I am the owner. Let's create this. Upon doing so, the SnapIn will activate. The work created event has been triggered. Let's check the logs now. Where are they? Let's move to the debugging section. We can view the logs using these commands. Let's try running these commands. We have the SnapIn package, so let's execute it. DevRev SnapIn package logs after something. Let's consider package logs after today, the 29th. Let's proceed. Let's take a look at the logs shortly. All the logs have been printed. There are various types of logs. In our case, we have build logs, which are printed when the SnapIn is building. For us, what we have are function logs. Let's see. We printed that the work event has been created. The work ID represents the created work. Let's confirm. Yes. The work has indeed been created. That was the log. Thank you.